On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make delicious overnight oats. These oats, I'm gonna be putting different berries in each cup. I'm gonna be making 3. I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna be using old-fashioned oats, almond milk, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, Mayorga organic chia seeds, honey, and cinnamon. I'm gonna be using 3 16-ounce mason jars. I'll be adding 3/4 cups of oats to each jar. We're gonna add 1 cup of almond milk. I like to use almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you like. There's people that like oat milk, cashew milk. Next, we're gonna add some chia seeds. We're also gonna add a little bit of honey. Okay, so I'm gonna be making each jar different. I'm gonna add strawberries and blackberries to the first one. The second one is strawberries and blueberries. Third one, I'm gonna do all the berries. Guess I had a little bit too many raspberries. And now for the last part, we're gonna add a dash of cinnamon. The next day, they're gonna be creamy and so delicious. And there you have it. Now it's time to close them up and put them in the fridge. And they'll be ready in the morning. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I really hope you enjoy it. And if you do try these oats, remember, you eat them right out of the jar the next day. Or if you like warm oats, you can warm it up in the microwave for a couple of minutes. I'm sorry, for a couple of seconds. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.